guys, welcome back to part 3 of the video. Today we're going to try strip out the engine and see what's gone wrong with it. Let's find out what's happened. So what are you taking off there?
Just taking the intake off.
Taking the intake off, yeah.
There's some stuff that's still attached on the turbo, so you have to take it off.
What?
Some stuff still attached on the turbo, so you have to take it off so it comes off properly. That's me extension. Use some more of these and then this will come off.
She's wet.
She's a loose one.
She's a loose one.
Just a little tip, if you can't get the hose pipe off,
Yeah.
get a pliers, tighten it onto that,
Yeah,
just wiggle it about,
free
and
it
then
up.
it should come off.
Free it up a little.
Ooh, it comes off.
That's if it comes off. You're not good at wiggling, are you?
No.
Wriggling's not the best of your talents. Yeah, but I'll tell you. What's it? Look, hold this. Hold this. It's gotta go for a little bit of loving.
A little bit of loving. Goes a long way.
Everything's so compact and thin, isn't it?
Yeah. It might be easy taking that off once we took the intake off.
It'd be easy taking the turbo off.
Yeah, because basically that's loose. There's nothing really touching turbo now, because that was connected onto the turbo, isn't it?
No, onto the.
From there to there.
It's not the body, innit? She's filthy.
We've got about 6 bolts you have to take off.
What size?
And they're all 12 mil.
12 millis. So you've got intake bolts that are located here, one there, one just there, and one there, and same on the other side.
So it'll help you if you got a magnet.
Yeah, magnets do come in handy. Yeah, that's not loose enough, mate.
Oh, that fell off.
Well, that magneted the wrong thing, didn't it?
Yeah. So see, you got 2 of the different size bolts. The longer ones are the upper ones, and the shorter ones are for the fuel ring.
As he's doing that, I'll just show you what I'm doing here on the side. So, writing everything there. Then it's ready to go into the intake bag. Put intake on the bag here. 1 second. And then that piece of paper will guide us for these later on. As we're wrapping around it. Make sure you disconnect all your sensors, guys. It's got sensors everywhere.
Huh?
So it's got sensors here and sensors there and sensors there and sensors here. Try it now. You get shot.
Can you not get a thingy and the pliers? Get WD-40 and put pliers on. What the fuck is that? Sun disc.
Sun disc. Should I take this one?
No, that one's connected to this, isn't it? Yeah, go on now.
Look at that.
You coming on?
Of course it is, mate.
A little bit of
As soon
lube.
as I touch something, mate. Little wiggle there. Little wiggle there.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
And Bob's your uncle.
Come on. Try and lift in that. Lift.
Now what's this looking? This sensor here. Is there not? One second, move your hand. Move your hand. Just unscrew this. Zap it off with it. I think the wiring loop in it.
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
There's a blade.
Passing needed. It should be able to do it, you don't know. No. A lovely smell of fuel in the morning.
Oh, just what we fucking need, don't we? Lung disease, heart disease,
Get high every day.
all sorts of fucking diseases, mate.
Get a bit of lung foul disease.
All this for us. Oh, that broke.
No, so.
And that, people, is the intake off. That we might respray. Might give it a respray, change the colour on it. Comment down below what colour you want to see going on it.
I found your problem.
What's the problem?
Your valve broke off there, can you see it?
1 second, wait, I can't see it. Oh yeah.
Let's take this off and we can see it properly.
So we found the problem. It's definitely dropped a valve. We just have to
Get
look
me a
through it
10
off
mil
camera.
out that.
What do you need? 10 mil?
Yeah. I've got the ratchet here.
1 second, guys. So it's definitely dropped a valve. So we're just gonna strip it, make sure nothing else is damaged as well in there. So let's crack on with that. So what we're taking off here now. And whoever that was, it did sound good. Put them. Where's the crowbar? On the back of the shoulder. This is going, don't know what you call it bag.
Yeah. Good wiggle.
Watch it now, on. I'm not holding it.
उठा पाँव फंस गयो उठाओ
Oh, got one little bug there. Was hiding.
Hiding away. Way after way.
Where's the WD-40?
Nope.
Yeah, still got vent in there.
I don't think it's there. Should go the wire bush in it. I love it.
Yeah, come on. Hold on for that.
What's timing? I'm going to use it to this. Okay.
Oh shit, what did I wire? Come on.
Which wire?
No.
Broke off?
Yeah.
Shit.
Good. Reattach it though.
Yeah. Made it for that.
Oh, just leave it on this, innit?
Don't go back.
So we know it's for that, innit?
You can start moving these parts now. Phillips
Yeah.
screwdriver.
Your engine harness. Nice.
Nice. What are you doing here? Is it in time?
Huh?
Is it in time?
Once you take these off, then you can put them in time, innit?
Just hung up in these off time, these.
Yeah.
Where's the time?
Should be on the ratchet.
I don't think it depends.
There's that one.
This one. So these three are for this.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3 for this. This one I'm guessing goes in this.
Yeah.
What about these ones here? Yeah, these ones.
The ones are like the bottom ones here.
Not ones in.
catching and timing. This is not gonna go on time. Oh, yeah. That one's not trying to know.
Can't time it. Now what?
Huh?
Now what?
We're gonna have to take all this off, I know.
One of them's gonna be wash pump, innit?
Huh?
One of these is wash pump, innit?
Yeah.
Do you want to take a picture of it?
Yeah. At least they did the water pump.
Nah, I did it. I got it. I've done it.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Yeah, before. I did a new timing belt on water pump. This is brand new though. It's probably done like 20 miles in it. Give me the pulleys. There's not a washer on it now.
No.
So guys, we're just gonna strip everything out. There's no choice and see what the crack is inside of it.
Right. That side is alright now. Take these off.
That's me 10 minutes.
Is it 10?
Okay. Does that matter? And then you hold it.
It's a wet one.
So proper.